Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with TunerCult, it's a monthly subscription for car guys like me or car girls. I'm not sure if they have female line or not, but I definitely love clothing. I love car stuff, so if you check out my other videos, you can see my other cars. So I got a 3-month subscription. I obviously don't need that many shirts because I'm also subscribed to TunerCult, which comes with a lot more stuff than TunerCult, but TunerCult is also cheaper. So without further ado, which by the way I might be stopping the TunerCult because, well, I'll get into that in another video. But so this was, thank you, my order was done by Jay, so cheers. I can Snapchat Snapchat. I can take a picture for my Instagram, which whatever, probably won't do. So, ooh, I like the colors of this shirt. So I don't know if they're themed or not. I think they are. It doesn't really seem that way, but I like that a lot. They like graffiti style shirt. In speed we trust. Their slogan, which yes, in speed I do trust. Next one is Street Legend. Ooh, nice. There we go. You got Street Legend. These are nice material. They're not like cheapo, like they're a nice thick material. So then we got 10% off your next order. Use promo code TCR35. Says it does expire. I'll just put it in the description, but it's TCR35 is the code. So the next shirt, so it comes with 4 shirts. There you go. I like these shirts. Definitely like the styling that they're doing. Then the last shirt, American Muscle. And of course my cat is throwing up. I've had to stop this video like 4 times or 5 times now because I have a cat, actually 2 cats, but one stays down here where I'm filming. Then I have 2 dogs that I'm in the lower floor and they go outside, and so yeah. So then we have a nice TunerCult lanyard. I have a ton of lanyards, so I don't mind. I'm just hanging them in my garage along with the stickers. So the last, I think this is the last thing. Yep, the last thing is a really TunerCult International Car Club and Speed We Trust. It's definitely shiny. So that's everything. That's the last TunerCult I'm getting for now. I did get an individual Fairlady Z box. It didn't come in an actual box, so I'm going to do that unboxing here in a few minutes. So if you see me wearing the same outfit, But thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Bye.